Guys, it's me today, and finally my whole package came today. So I'm going to be showing you my whole Airsoft loadout today. Everything we have. So first I'm going to stand up and show you my new package. This right here, drop leg pistol holder, that's not new. I'll just go ahead and take that off. This big one is this big little buckle right here. It's real hard to take off. Okay? Take it out of my belt. Okay. Got some BBs in here. Little BBs. So finally got my little camo pants. Finally did. See if I can get a quick review of them real good. So there they are. Those are my camo pants, so let's get on to the whole loadout. First, we'll start with the top. I don't have very much stuff. I don't have the face mask. I don't have a little hat or anything. I only got eye protection. I know that's weird. There is tape on the side because I had to tape it around because these were way too loose, and I would feel like they were gonna fall off. So there's the eye protection, the goggles. They work pretty good. Next, I guess we'll move on down to go to a lower part. Nice. Then you take these Velcro pieces and put them in your belt loops, like this, so they don't fall out. Take it like that, and then you're going to take it like that, and then you're going to Velcro them. There's that. Two little side pistol holders. Got this one. This one has nothing in it, but this one has my M4 magazine in it. Right there. So I don't really carry my pistol in. Okay, so we've gone down to the legs. We got our camo pants like I already showed you. So we got this, our drop leg pistol holder. It's supposed to go on like that. And the big buckle straps around there. And there's Velcro that goes around your leg. So I'm gonna have to take my belt off for you. No, wait, no I won't. Okay, I won't have to do that. And another thing for our legs is you definitely need knee protection. So knee pads, of course. Mine are green. Doesn't matter what color. I just got mine green for my birthday. Oh no. There's that. see if I'm trying to get like a quick review. Oh, camera fell, guys. Camera fell. Usually always my camera falls, so I'm gonna try to put it up better than that. I think that's good. There. I think that's good. Okay. So, that. And over to the guns. So we got the main part of whatever you need. We got our M4. It doesn't have to be an M4, it just has to be a big gun that you can carry around everywhere. And we have our second gun is our pistol in our drop leg holster. There's that. And that's pretty much all. I'll show you a little something with everything on. So I'm going to put everything on now. Okay, finally. Now, take the top one, somehow or another. Take it around like this. Trying to get all this figured out here. Okay. Oh, lunch is ready right now, but I'm gonna keep making this video and I'll get it later. Because I'm sure it's probably gonna be really hot, so let it cool off, actually. So here I am with everything on. And I'll try to get a good review of my whole body. So maybe I could... Don't know how to do this. There, that's good. So there it is, guys. My whole airsoft loadout. Hope y'all enjoyed the video. And always, it's me. I'm out.